Good morning, everyone. It's me here. GBPJPY is flatlining this Thursday morning, struggling to build on yesterday's modest Asian session uptick. The pair is currently hovering just above the 198.00 level, having failed to break higher following yesterday's Bank of England meeting minutes release. For those who didn't catch yesterday's video, the main takeaway from the meeting minutes was that while the majority of MPC members backed a hold in policy, there were some dissenting votes calling for a rate hike. And this was enough to boost the pound against both the euro and yen. However, with the BoE now clearly on the cusp of delivering its first rate cut as soon as next month, while the BoJ is still stuck in easing mode, traders seem reluctant to push the boat out on the long side. In fact, the opposite seems to be true, with many opting to take profits on long positions in order to avoid getting caught on the wrong side of the trade if the BoE does indeed signal a pivot at next week's meeting. In the very short term, we'll be looking to the flash UK PMIs for short-term impetus. The services and composite PMIs are expected to show a slight cooling in July, which could increase the likelihood of a BoE rate cut next month. If this is priced into the currency, we could see some profit taking on the back of the data. That said, it would still require a very substantial drop in the PMIs for the BoE to hold off on a rate hike in August. As things stand, the market is pricing in a greater than 50% chance of a 25 basis point hike next month. In terms of levels, only a number below 50 would be truly terrible and increase the chance of a BoE cut. So I wouldn't be surprised to see some volatility in the pound on Friday in anticipation of the data. For now, though, the BoE-BoJ policy divergence continues to cap gains for the pair, with the yen still benefiting from safe haven status amid global uncertainty. We saw this play out yesterday with GBPJPY coming under pressure as the day wore on and risk appetite deteriorated. The pair hit a high of 198.70 in early London trade yesterday before falling back to the 197.50 area by the time the US session rolled around. It's likely that we'll see further attempts to push the pair lower in the weeks ahead, especially if risk sentiment remains fragile. In this environment, any upticks in GBP/JPY should be treated with caution and faded accordingly. So for all the latest on this and more, make sure you stay tuned. Thanks for watching and see you soon.